The overall goal of this accelerometer methodology is to quantify upper limb performance in daily life and thus track rehabilitation progress and outcomes.
This method can help answer key questions in stroke rehabilitation, such as whether an intervention can improve someone's function in the real world, not just in the clinic or laboratory. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides numeric quantification of upper limb performance and doesn't rely on self-report.
Although this method was originally developed for stroke rehabilitation, it can also be applied for other individuals receiving physical and occupational therapy services, such as those with brain injury or multiple sclerosis, and even children with cerebral palsy.
At first, the methodology may seem difficult because there's so many steps, but after you use it a few times, the steps become much more routine.
Demonstrating this method will be Maggie Bland, a member of our laboratory.
Begin by connecting the two accelerometers to the computer via the docking station to charge their batteries and ensure recording during the entire experiment. After the accelerometers are connected to the computer, open the appropriate software to initialize them. Then, in the software, select Initialization to synchronize the accelerometer clocks to each other and to the local computer. Enter the start time and date of data collection based on when the accelerometers will be placed on the participant, and an end date and time at least 24 hours later. Next, select 30 Hz from the drop-down menu for sampling rate and leave LED options.